Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to cook green bean casserole. The second version I'm going to show is the semi-homemade green bean casserole, which is a lot easier to make.
Then again we will cut a medium yellow onion, cut off the top and the bottom so that it stays on the cutting board. Cut them in half and then peel the skin and also the first layer of the onion. Slice them thinly. Remember to wash your fingers. Then put it aside on a separate dish. If you want to use pre-chopped onions from your supermarket, which is also fine, remember to open the can of mushroom soup before you start cooking.